there's only one lane, and it's the oncoming from one or two people coming home, and that's the only lane. So I hope nobody's oncoming, because then I have to dive over into that, and that's not going to be a good thing. So as I head towards Eagle River, hopefully more people will sort of join the fight, and then it'll split into 2 lanes. But for the first 4 to 6 miles, probably about 4 miles, it's a whole lot of nothing when it comes to tracks. So come with me on my journey of chaos. Woohoo! So it was past knee deep. Keep my speed up. So if I'm too slow, I hit a berm or something, it'll stop me dead. So I'm gonna keep up my. Oh shit! There goes my wiper. Oh shit! Nope. It's right there. Son of a bitch! I gotta pull over.